Don't buy fabric softeners anymore, they are harmful, you should make yourself a natural and cheaper one. I really think that we all love when our clothes smell nice, but unfortunately the commercial fabric softeners are loaded with harmful chemicals and compounds, which can be really bad for your health and the health of your family. The experts say that these chemicals are especially dangerous for small children. Here's what you need to know. The experts say that the chemicals found in commercial softeners can cause allergies, and the worst thing about these chemicals is that they're found in high amounts in all fabric softeners, which means they are not that health friendly. You've probably heard the old saying, if you cannot put it in your mouth, do not put it on your skin either, so you may want to think about it next time you decide to buy a softener. Fabric softeners enter the body through the skin and cause serious damages. Well, yes, and this means that you should be very careful. This is the main reason why we think that you should avoid using chemical-loaded fabric softeners when washing your clothes, especially your children's clothes. Phthalates are added to obtain scent, and studies have shown that they harm the hormone balance in animals. Therefore, by using fabric softeners you are not only harming your health but also the environment. And now we really hope that you are convinced that you should trust nature and make an all-natural softener. You just need simple and easily available ingredients like baking soda, water, essential oil, and apple cider vinegar. This homemade fabric softener is very simple and easy to make. You just have to follow the simple instructions. You will need the following ingredients: 10 grams baking soda, 150 to 200 milliliter hot water, 800 milliliter apple cider vinegar, 20 drops essential oil. Plastic container 5 liter. Directions. This homemade fabric softener is very simple and easy to make. First, you need a big plastic container 3 to 5 liter because of the bubble reaction. Then you should combine water, baking soda and apple cider vinegar together. The ingredients will cause a chemical reaction releasing bubbles all over the place. After that you should add essential oil of your choice, close and shake well. Once the liquid settles, pour it into your softener tank and make sure you use a jar as it works best. This is also very important for you to remember. Don't forget to shake the softener before every use. 4 tablespoons of the homemade softener are enough for one use. We really hope you find this video helpful, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Thank you and take care.